Now I have another screw, nice fresh.
Out of the oven, just made screw. And since I have my ratchet, I won't strip the head out of the Phillips screw this time, hopefully. And this accomplishes two things. One, I'm not stripping the head out because I'm not hitting this thing, but I'm also forcing the screw in the hole as I tighten. So there we go. Now we have a good solid connection. So while we're here, we're going to check the other screws to make sure they are all tight. And that one I got a good quarter turn on. So it was a little loose. And this one about the same thing. So now, and this one too. So 3 of the 4 screws here were loose. All 3 of these were. So of the 7, we only had one halfway holding the door.